Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at busyjoyhustle.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to use Google Trends. Google Trends is one of the most advanced technology by Google Intel that are used to know the trending news or the trending keywords, what's happening in your location or in the world, so you can utilize this particular keyword to know the latest happening. So let's move over to my screen and get started. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I produce an awesome video like this. Welcome back. So this is Google Trend interface. You can get to this page by going to Google search and putting in Google Trends. Google Trend. Don't put in Google Trends. Then once you open this, the first link, you can see Google Trend. Just click on it. It will direct you to Google Trend website, the home page. So, but I will drop in the link of this. So once you get here, this is the interface, so you don't need to sign up. Once you have your Gmail account, sign on your web browser, you can access this tool. So we can start by inputting our topic. So but first and foremost, let's first of all search trending search. Let's know what is currently happening. So once you click on trending search, you can also use this on your mobile. As you can see, the trending search as of Saturday 5th February 2022 is Chelsea vs Plymouth, and this has 200k plus searches on Google. So you can see the top search on Google as of today. So and you also bear in mind of the location. This is the trending in location in Nigeria. So you can actually change this to any particular location that you want. Let's know what is trending in Saudi Arabia. So let's also know what is trending. Wow, this is not English. So let's find an English speaking country. So let's use United States. Let's see what is trending in United States. Are you seeing GoFundMe? This is what is trending in USA currently. So the Florida governor to investigate GoFund over Canada truck. So this is the trending. As you can see, these are even La Liga is trending in USA. So you can search real-time trend. Real-time trend. So the past 24 hours. So this what is trending in USA in the past 24 hours. And then if you want, you can still change the location. Then let's go and explore keywords. Let's search based on keyword and know what is trending. So let's search weight loss. Weight loss. So let's search this term and know what is happening. So this weight loss, this particular keyword, I'm using the wide worldwide. So you can choose any location that you want. You can make it a geo targeting. So but let's leave it at worldwide. Then the month, you can choose the past 7 days, past 30 days. So let's go with past 30 days and see what is happening. Then you can choose category. You can select any category that you want, but let's leave this. Then you can image search, news search, Google shopping, YouTube search. So this is what you can know. So this is the interest over time, and see what, as you can see, for weight loss the search decreases. It has been between 100 and 750 during the past 30 days. Bear this in mind. This data is for the past 30 days. So the trend has been between 750, that 75 to 100. As you can see currently, it is moving down. It is moving down. Then we can interest by region. The people that are concerned that search about this most about weight loss is people in Canada and United States. They have United States have 78 searches interest. Then Canada search for this most. So you can use this information if you want to run ad or publish a post. This is a great tool for you. So as you can see, the region South Africa has highest percentage of searches for this particular keyword. Then you can see other related topic. You have diabetes medication and all that. We have so many of them. Then we have related queries, pharmacy and all that. So this is how you can use Google keyword trend. So you can even compare add another keyword, but you compare keyword that is related to this. That's how to compare. So this is how a little bit on how to use Google Trends for your business, for your tool and every other thing, for your blog, for your website and all that. So I hope that this video explains all that you need about Google Trends. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime as I post an awesome video like this. Thanks for watching this video.